at SHOT 2013 at the Turtleskin booth. We'll be talking to Nathan. How you doing, sir?
Very well, thank you.
Nice to meet you. I understand that you've got a new cut and slash and puncture resistant glove that is available now. It's a recent introduction.
Yes.
And it is not the 650 that we've got on the poster. However, it is a dynamic glove, so to speak.
It's actually two different gloves that we've come out with. I'll start off first with our Alpha glove. The Alpha glove offers hypodermic needle protection throughout the entire palm side of the hand, up over the fingertips.
Open that up again if you would, Nathan. Yeah, okay. So we've got hypodermic needle protection on the entire palm?
On the entire palm and on the inside of the thumb, and then up over the fingertips, the fingertip wrap. And then when on the back of the hand, we have a full Kevlar lined back for cut and slash protection. Neoprene backing on the back of hand with a synthetic suede palm with grip pads. This glove offers a very high level of dexterity, especially for a hypodermic needle resistant search glove. It can be used to operate a firearm, run your comms, type on a laptop, perform everyday police work tasks while bearing needle stick protection. Needle stick protection has been a tough thing to come by in a glove that offers a good amount of dexterity. And the other glove is basically our lighter weight version of the Alpha glove. We call it the Bravo. And this glove offers, again, hypodermic needle and cut protection throughout the entire palm side up over the fingertips. But instead of having a neoprene and Kevlar resistant back, cut resistant back, we just have a spandex and mesh knit back that's very breathable, very comfortable.
If you're in warmer climates.
Very lightweight. And again, offers a lot of dexterity while having needle protection. So,
now Nathan, what is the expected, and again, keeping in mind that in different environments will impact materials differently, but what is an expected longevity of this model?
Well, this glove here has actually been out on the market for just coming upon a year now, and we have a lot of satisfied customers that are still wearing it every day for
anywhere from an 8-hour shift to maybe a 10 or a 12-hour shift.
And they're,
and those are probably coming on and off as needed.
Exactly. Some guys actually do wear them for their entire shift.
Well, in addition to the puncture and slash resistant quality, there's going to be a certain level of insulation that's going to be included with this, or that's going to be part of wearing this glove.
Well, as far as thermal insulation, the Alpha has a little bit more thermal insulation given the neoprene with the extra layer of aramid knit on the back of the hand.
Okay, that's the aramid knit.
Yeah. And then this here is a very tight aramid woven that offers the hypodermic needle protection in the glove. That is featured in both the Alpha and the Bravo glove.
Okay, very good.
Which this is why we're able to provide a lot of dexterity in a hypodermic needle resistant glove, because it's only one layer of material. Other needle resistant gloves in the past were up to 3, 4, even 5 layers of material, or coated materials that obviously do not provide the dexterity that a uncoated material does.
And I can remember some of those earlier gloves several years ago had a bit of an extra stiffness to them that you're talking about the dexterity issue. There wasn't a lot of dexterity with those, and I think that different companies were working on methods to get around that. But then there was a compromise of especially the puncture resistance from something as sharp as a needle resistance.
Well, that's always been the issue is being able to stop a very small penetrator like a 28 gauge hypodermic needle. Regular knit materials, even though they are strong fiber materials, that a hypodermic needle, especially something small like a 28 gauge, will penetrate right through without a problem. problem.
Now, Nathan, just very quickly, this shiny-like surface.
Yes, sir.
This is that the enhancement to assist
grip.
with dexterity, or
No,
just strictly
it's
grip?
just grip pads. We have
Okay.
grip pads on the palm in 2 places, the thumb and the middle finger here. So you can be, working through paperwork or whatnot. Just some added dexterity and added grip.
Have you received any feedback as to whether or not these gloves will work with touch-type screens?
These gloves here won't because they don't have the touchscreen pad, but we actually are, right now there's actually some prototypes back at the office that do have the touchscreen pads on the index finger.
Are you able to affect any I'm looking at kind of a trade-off, but are you, with your prototypes, are you able to affect any type of protection with that touchscreen section?
Yes, absolutely. It will have the same protection as these Elfin Bravos do now, but they'll just have the touchscreen pad glued to the fingertip.
Okay, very good. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it. You have a very safe trip home, brother.
You too.
Okay.